What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to this Voxchain update video. Voxchain is a completely new chain that is upcoming, guys, and they are also having their own native token in the pre-market phase right now. So if you want to get on board into an early access coin and also new chain, currently WOX, this token is in the first round of its pre-market phase, and the first round is about to be completed very soon. And since I'm getting a lot of messages how to buy into Voxchain, guys, since I bought into this coin several weeks ago, I'm gonna show you right now from scratch how you can connect to the website and also how to buy the tokens and even stake the coins. Because if you're staking it right now, since this one is in the early stage phase, it is of course great to buy the coins and also stake them for as long as possible and get free rewards thanks to the staking mechanism, because like that you can keep accumulating more and more coins without the need of directly buying them, by just doing the first step of investing into this project, buying some coins, and then just put it into staking, because like that you can accumulate more and more coins. And then once this one is launching, we don't know yet when it's launching because this is a very early stage project, of course high risk but also high rewards. If it's going to be successful, then of course we can take some profits at launch right away, because currently we can buy the coin for 6 cents per coin, and this is kind of the floor price right now, because with every round this one keeps going higher and higher, and currently we have 4 days left to buy into the first stage before the price will increase to 7 cents, and of course this will continue until basically this one is launching, and then at the final price it should be much higher. And then once this one is launching on dexes and exchanges and so on, of course we can take profits, but also keep some of the coins, guys, because don't forget that this is not a random meme coin that will just pump and dump or something like that. This one is supposed to be a completely new chain with an own native token called WOX, and usually those coins are good to keep for the long term and not just only for the immediate short term, especially if it's going to be successful and very much used. I'm gonna also quickly explain you again all the features that you have here, but basically we're gonna focus in this video how to purchase the coins and also how to stake them, because like that we can accumulate more and more coins. So first of all, guys, welcome everyone. Make sure to be subscribed on this channel, leave a like, also be active, just always commenting in every video, guys, because we're gonna do the next giveaway of $100 worth of meme coins as soon as we reach 2,000 subscribers. So make sure to be sharing that, and of course if you want to get access to this Vox coin, use the link in the video description right at the top. I'm gonna put the link right at the top so you are ending up directly here on the main website. And of course remember, guys, everything is no financial advice here in the crypto space. Everything is high risk, you can lose everything, you can also win a lot. Everything is possible here in the crypto space. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just here to entertain you. I'm showing everything that I'm buying and selling in the crypto space. Whatever I discover or I like to share, I'm doing that. And of course also all my trades, price predictions, price analysis and so on, I'm sharing everything with you guys, and especially when it comes to new crypto projects. Also remember, high risk but also high rewards if they're going to be successful. And here on Voxchain, this one is basically AI driven, because also here we have a lot of AI tools that we can use. They have also their own AI model. You can also check audits from other contract addresses here if they are maybe scams, rug pulls or anything like that. Here we have an audit AI as well, and also different other AI driven signals here. For example, if you're trading in the immediate short term, here you get different AI signals which here also are exactly explained. And here you can see that, for example, XRP is currently in a buying situation with the MACD having a bullish crossover, for example. So you can see everything here nicely in these signals, and of course the whole ecosystem is explained here on the main website here as well. But here we're gonna focus now in how to join the early access phase, how to join into the coin directly, and also of course stake it. And you need a DeFi wallet like MetaMask, for example. Also top it up with some cryptos like Tether, Ethereum, whatever you want. If you need to buy some cryptos, go to BitUnix, link in the video description, get extra deposit bonuses and extra rewards whenever you're buying and selling and trading here. As you can see, I partnered up with BitUnix, so you can use my affiliate link in the video description, and then you are eligible for those bonuses here. And for Voxchain, guys, and for the coin itself, you click the link in the video description, and the first thing that you can do is here connect the wallet, because as you can see, more than 400 wallets are supported here, and I like to use MetaMask, so I connect to MetaMask, and then of course I can interact with my coins that I have there with the website and buy into this coin as well. What I want to do here is, of course, I want to buy with Ethereum or Tether or USDC. And I like to use my Tether since I believe that we are in a bull run, and I'm using my cash or stable coins that I have still on the sideline to buy into new projects, or coins that I think they could eventually do 100x maybe, who knows that. I'm buying always into those coins with my Tether that I still have on the sideline and not invested already in cryptos. You can of course also use Ethereum, for example, that is still trading around $4,000 approximately. Nothing much has changed there at the moment, but who knows, maybe also it will pump, but that's why I'm using now Tether. But you can also of course use Ethereum, for example. Then here you put the amount that you would like to invest. So for example, $100. So you can click here, $100, $500, $1,000 directly. You can also put here whatever amount that you would like to buy, of course. So here, for example, $100. And you can see that I'm gonna have also 5% bonus if you're using my link here, because my link will activate this 5% bonus here. This is my affiliate link, of course. I think I'm not getting anything, guys, but I just created it so you can get the bonus of 5%, and that's why I'm sharing that with you now. And then you just click here, purchase Vox tokens. You click here. And then you have to wait until in this case, MetaMask is asking me if I want to do this transaction, if I want to buy the coin. This is always something that you have to confirm, because if you accidentally clicked it, you can still say no to stop, break, or you just say, okay, yes, buy the coin. So I click here now, buy the coins, because like that, we are going to purchase the coins, guys. $100 worth of box coins, 1,754 coins I will get. And now we have to wait until the transaction is basically done. So this can take a few seconds or a few minutes, always depends how the network is currently loaded up here, because I chose Ethereum network. And now we just wait until the transaction is done. And then you should be seeing your coins right here on the right upper corner. This is your wallet that you have here and your coins. So after the first window that appears from your DeFi wallet, which is basically just authorizing the website to interact with the DeFi wallet, you click here on the actual transaction here of the purchase of $100. Okay. Because first of all, you have to authorize the website to interact with your DeFi wallet. And then there is a second window that comes up that are basically saying if you want to buy for $100 or not buy for $100, you can still abort it. But if you want to buy like I'm doing here, then of course you click again into OK, and then you are basically buying the coins. And from now on, since we have already done now the first authorization on MetaMask or on your DeFi wallet with the website, future purchases, if you want, for example, to buy more, you can directly click buy more, and then there is only the window popping up asking for the transaction to be done or not. And then of course you click OK to buy the coins and to interact with the website, but you don't have to authorize anymore. You just have to confirm if you want to do a transaction, yes or not. And you can see that right now my purchase was successful. I just bought the tokens. You can also see it here on Etherscan, of course. And now let's close and refresh the balances, because you can see here that my coins here are now in my wallet. And now the cool feature here is now that since this is in the very early stage phase, not only we are buying basically at the floor price at 6 cents, but also if you go here to staking, you can see that you can add here the amount of coins that you would like to stake. You can also choose just a few coins or 25% of the coins or whatever amount that you would like to stake. And since here we don't have a launch date yet, and since I think that this one will take for sure much more weeks or even months to come out, you can, for example, now put 30% of all of your coins here into staking. So for example, 100% coins, all of them that I just bought, I'm gonna put for 6 months into staking, and I will receive 30% extra coins. So 30% extra, I could even do a year and get 100%, so the double. So maybe in a year this coin will be worth much more, who knows that? It is possible to do that, but I'm going to select now 6 months, so 180 days, and here I'm gonna earn 30% rewards from all of my balance, since I put it here 100%. You can of course also do 50%, 25%, or just put manually here the amount of tokens that you would like to stake. But here I'm gonna demonstrate you what happens if I gonna stake all of them. Here you can see the duration, when it's going to be over, so in January next year, and then of course also how much coins I will get at the end totally, and this is the yield that I'm getting. So when you're ready, when you have decided how long and how much you want to stake, you just click here stake now. And now again, a window will pop up, because every time that you are interacting with your DeFi wallet, you first are asked if you really want to do that. So very important, guys, always to then confirm also the actual transaction. Every time that you're buying, that you're selling, that you're staking, that you're unstaking, and so on, there will be always a window popping up on your DeFi wallet that you have to confirm. And only then, once you confirmed it, you can interact basically here. And this is exactly what I've done. And now we have to wait until the process is done here for the staking. And then of course my coins will be locked for 180 days. And even if the coin is launching, remember guys that the coins will be locked here in staking, and then you're gonna get those rewards basically. And this will be distributed then here on January 25, 2026 in my case. If this is too long for you or too short, you can of course adjust it. You can make 1 year or you can make 30 days, which is also okay. But then of course you can see that the rewards are going down. So 180 days is good because it's 30%, is a lot. As soon as you go down 90 days, 60 days, you can see it drops immediately, the rewards. And also if you go longer, the rewards are much higher. And this is basically how easy you can just stake the coins here. And now we have to wait until they're going into the staking mechanism. This can take several seconds or also minutes. Here again, you can see that now they are asking again for the transaction. First it was the authorization of staking, now the actual transaction. We click again yes. So always be patient, guys, with the new coins, and whenever you are investing into new coins, be patient, because you always have to reconfirm all transactions and all progresses that you're doing here with your DeFi wallet. That's just normal how it goes with those new projects and new coins. And here you can see now successfully staked this amount of tokens for 180 days and 30% API gonna have. So let's close this window. And the cool feature is of course that I can anytime buy more and also stake more. Now it is into staking here, as you can see status locked. And if you go here to my stake, you can see my active staking. And you can of course also do early withdrawal. So you can do that in theory, but I think that then you're gonna lose your rewards. So that's why very important to always select a time window that you're willing to put your coins, whatever is happening with the coin at launch, to keep it here into staking, because like that at least you can earn those rewards. And early withdrawal is possible of course, but if you're buying for the long term, usually those coins are good to buy for the long term, then I would definitely stake it. At least this is how you can do it. If you're gonna stake it or not, or if you're gonna buy or not, it's all your merit, it's all up to you. But this is what I'm doing. I bought now some with staking, and I have of course some without staking. And we are in the round 1 for the next 4 days, guys. So go ahead and get some if you want. The links are here in the video description. Also, if you need some cryptos, you can use the exchanges that I'm also doing. Top up your DeFi wallet, and then you are ready to go. Also with the Voxchain. And of course, I keep you updated on the progress. You can also join their social media platforms. You can see all links here of X, Telegram, and so on. Check them out and be subscribed on this channel. I keep you updated on Voxchain as well, of course, guys. And let me know what do you think about this coin. Remember, guys, that the more active you are in the comment section, the more likely it is I'm gonna select you also as the lucky winner of $100 worth of meme coins as soon as we reach 2,000 subscribers, guys. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned, be subscribed before my voice is leaving me, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.